we just saw something remarkable. Gold has surged past $30,500 an ounce, setting a brand new record. And silver? It's back above $40, a level we haven't seen since 2011. This isn't just a headline, it's a major shift in the precious metals market. So the question is, why now? Why are gold and silver moving this sharply, and what's driving investor demand? Let's break down the key forces behind this rally. Part 1. What's driving the metals rally? First, the Federal Reserve. Inflation has been cooling, several Fed members are signaling rate cuts, and the dollar has been sliding. Anytime rates are expected to come down, gold and silver usually benefit because they don't pay interest, but they hold their value. Second, safe haven demand. Right now, investors are nervous. Trade policy is unpredictable. There are questions about the Feds. Independence and global uncertainty is rising. In times like these, people run to assets they can trust. And gold, for thousands of years, has been that place of safety. Third, silver has something extra going for it. Unlike gold, silver is also an industrial metal. It's used in electronics, solar panels, and new energy technologies. That means when the economy grows or industries expand, silver demand rises. So it gets both the safe haven boost and the industrial boost at the same time. Now that we understand what's driving this rally, let's look at the actual numbers, how far gold and silver have climbed, and why these levels matter. Part 2, quick numbers and market moves. Gold has officially broken through $3,500 and is now trading around $3,557 per ounce. Earlier this year, it was nearly $1,000 lower. That's more than a 30% gain in 2025 alone, which is huge. Gold futures are also strong. December contracts are showing the same momentum. Silver is making headlines too. For the first time since 2011, it has surged past $40 an ounce. And right now it's holding around $41.09. That's the highest level in over a decade. So both gold and silver aren't just rising. They're breaking into new territory and sending a clear signal to investors. Now the real question is, why is this happening and what could it mean going forward? Let's look at the bigger picture and what comes next. Part 3, deeper context and what's next. We're seeing tightening bond yields, volatility in the stock market, and ongoing geopolitical tension. All of these factors are pushing more investors into safe haven assets like gold and silver. On top of that, central banks around the world continue to buy gold at a strong pace, which adds even more support to prices. Silver also has a unique advantage. Analysts point out that silver may actually outperform gold because it plays a dual role, not only as a safe haven asset, but also as an essential industrial metal used in everything from technology to clean energy. Looking ahead, there are a couple of key events to watch. The U.S. jobs report coming out on Friday could shift expectations for how aggressive the Fed will be on rate cuts. And beyond the data, concerns about the Fed's independence are still making investors uneasy, which keeps the spotlight on precious metals. So the question becomes, where do we go from here? Let's wrap this up and talk about what this means for you as an investor. So here's the bottom line. Gold has just crossed $30,500 and silver is racing past $40. This isn't just a fleeting move. Rate cut expectations and ongoing uncertainty are giving these metals real momentum. If the Fed makes a move, or if uncertainty continues, this rally could have legs, and that's something you'll want to watch closely. If you're wondering how to navigate this, or whether gold and silver might keep climbing, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below. And if you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe so we can explore more market insights together. Also, if you haven't seen it yet, check out my previous video, Why I'm Investing in Gold in 2025, Strategy, Price Target, Exit Plan. It goes deeper into my personal approach and what I'm watching in the market this year. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.